Creating a website design in Figma involves a few simple steps to help you craft a visually appealing and functional layout. Here's how to do it. Set up your Figma file. Open Figma and create a new file. Choose the frame tool and select a desktop, tablet or mobile size, depending on your target platform. Figma provides default artboard sizes for web designs. Wireframe your layout. Start with a wireframe to outline the basic structure of your site, such as the header, footer, navigation, and content areas. Use simple shapes and placeholders for content. Focus on layout placement and user flow. Design UI elements. Use Figma's design tools to create buttons, forms, icons, and other interactive elements. You can use components to create reusable UI elements across pages. Add visuals. Import or create images, text, and graphics. Customize the design by adjusting colors, fonts, and spacing for a polished look. Prototyping. Link different frames to create interactive prototypes. You can simulate how the website will work when users click buttons or navigate between pages. Collaborate and export. Share the design with teammates for feedback. Once finalized, export assets as SVGs, PNG, or JPG for web development.